Messi. Lionel Messi. I say, what a cracker!
When he hit that drive, it was always destined for somewhere in the bottom of the goals.
That was a breathtaking break, wonderfully engineered. Happy to play square for now. Not many better in the air than him. Not really taking care of the ball. You'd always back him to win a challenge, wouldn't you? Messi. Lionel Messi just got the slightest of touches. On the front foot straight away, corner given. Can't afford to give away too many free kicks, you know. Showed him too much of the ball. Higuain. Oh, he thought he was going to score there, but suddenly the keeper had the ball. They're back on the ball. Messi. Lionel Messi. And that's hit the upright. It's in! It's Messi's goal!
2 goals in front and starting a cruise. They're looking good this side. If they can keep this up, surely they'll win this game.
That's 2 goals for him now. He's just so difficult to keep quiet. There had to be goals in this one. It's now 2-0. It's theirs again in midfield. Messi. Brought it immediately under control. It's Messi. Barcelona have such a talent in this man. Oh, and it's there! It's Lionel Messi!
It's uncanny how many times this guy continues to find space in good areas and punish the opposition.
That completes a hat-trick for Lionel Messi. He certainly knows where the goal is. Won the ball out there. It's a throw-in. Battled well.